food workers taking to the state capitol urging support for a bill requiring their employers to pay for food safety training. Fox 40 Capitol reporter Eitan Wallace spoke with supporters and shares why opponents argue the premise of the bill is flawed.
Before restaurant workers can work those fryers and flip that burger, in California, they first must complete food safety training courses and receive an official certificate of completion, a requirement they must renew every 3 years at a cost of about $15 to the employee. As it stands now, state law requires the worker to pay for the training, but a new bill would change that, instead requiring employers to do so and compensate workers for the time it took to complete the training.
When we fight, when we fight,
a fight is exactly what these fast food workers say they're ready for with this bill, a bill that came after a New York Times expose suggested the money workers were paying into a specific food training program called ServSafe was actually ending up in the hands of the National Restaurant Association to fund its lobbying efforts, specifically efforts to push for issues these lawmakers and workers say go against employees' interests.
to lobby against safety standards, to lobby against health care benefits, to lobby against a minimum wage.
They allege workers did not know where their money was going.
People have been deceived. Workers have been deceived.
People shouldn't be paying into something that's being used against them.
Senator Monique Limon wrote the bill. She argues the time has come for employers to pay for food training.
It is about protecting workers, ensuring transparency, and making sure that the lines are very clear in terms of who is paying for what and what that money is being used.
For its part, the National Restaurant Association released this multi-point statement disputing the claims about how the funds from the ServSafe food training program are spent. It reads in part, the ServSafe training fees are used across the association for many purposes, not just for lobbying on certain topics as was implied. The association also says workers are not required to choose ServSafe and added food training is essential to the safety of everyone inside a restaurant. But those here say they are just starting this fight to turn this bill into law. At the state capitol, Eitan Wallace, Fox 40 News.